Hello guys, in this problem we have the mass of the car equals 1500 kg and the circular speed on a horizontal circular track is 25 meters per second and the radius of the track is 200 meters. Now for the first part we have to find out the net force on the car. If we draw the free body diagram for the car, then the forces acting on the car are the weight, that is the force of gravity along the vertical downward direction, and a normal reaction force along the vertically upward direction. And to give circular motion, a centripetal force act along the central direction. Now, the